What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the top companies that you should be focusing on in the stock market. The companies that'll provide you anywhere from a 30 to a 70% ROI right now. Why now is actually the perfect time to start investing. A lot of people, they're waiting. They're trying to time the market. They're waiting till the future to get involved in the real estate market, in the stock market. And I'm going to tell you why now is the ultimate time to get rocking and rolling, right? And how to do that, how to go about it, and really everything that you need to know. So make sure you stay tuned for the clip that I'm about to show you with myself and Ricky Gutierrez, who's a multimillionaire in the real estate market and the stock market. Now enjoy.
The real estate market, right? So this transition of where everyone was so spoiled in almost every market, crypto, real estate, stocks. And now guess what? You actually have to work and think for it.
Yeah. So, you got to be smart. You have to know, and you have to really, you've got to get a better deal. I saw you bought the G-Wagon like for record low, lowest in the country, I believe I heard
One
you
of the
say.
lowest,
Okay.
yeah. Yep.
And so, but that takes work, right? It takes, you have to know what, like, you can't just aimlessly buy a car now or a house or anything, right? And just, think that, okay, the market's just going to go up and I can make money,
And I think it's those spoiled markets that really condition people to be that way. I think now it's not also a time to be scared. I think money definitely can still be made. We're still buying properties. I'm still buying cars. I mean, I just bought that G-Wagon, and I'm still, if anything, now I'm most excited to be investing in the stock market. I think now is the time, especially in the stock market, where the preparations and the choices that you make now to take action are ones that will pay so much in the future. I mean, you have companies like Apple that offer 30% ROI from previous all-time highs. Amazon, one of the most valuable companies that's publicly traded, 70% ROI based off of all-time highs. Tesla, over 50%. I mean, the list goes on, right? Even your most of quality blue chip companies, forget about trading. I get that trading's not for everyone. It's very time consuming. It's considered to be more risky. Conditions are not in your favor to trade. Conditions, I think, are so far, like, it almost doesn't make sense on why people shouldn't learn more about investing in the stock market for years from now, right?
Agreed.
Buy one or two stocks that you intend to hold for a very long time, and you buy it at a huge discount. It's not that they have to recover right away. Things can definitely get worse, but you're buying back in levels of 2019, 2020.
Yeah.
Pre-COVID levels.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Insane. I completely agree. I think that the stock market is just, I think a lot, people are either like all real estate and they like completely ignore the stock market, I feel like, or a lot of times you see they're all stock market and they like ignore the real estate market, right? And I believe that a truly intelligent person should diversify and do both, in my opinion, right? And I'm a big real estate guy. But I do try at like, literally every week I'm looking at the stock market and I'm, buying stocks that I believe in and that I'm going to hold for a long period of time. I'm not much of a day trader because I don't have the time. But I'm constantly buying stocks and I'm buying them. I'm dollar cost averaging, right? So if the market's trending down, but I believe that company will recover long term, then I'm going to buy. I see that as a buying opportunity, right?
Exactly.
Same thing.
I have friends that are financial advisors for JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley, and that's all they're doing right now for their clients in the 7 to 8 figures. It's dollar cost averaging on the way down, just because if you actually understand how the market works, that's where big money is made.
Agreed.
Right? And I think that's what's most exciting. It's like, yes, it's challenging, but on top of that, it's because it's so uncertain that I feel like it just really excites me. Tomorrow's the CPI data report, so I don't know when this is going to be released, but July 13th, 1 hour before the market opens, the CPI data report is released, and it will show us if inflation has peaked in the month of June. And that will determine if the market finally begins to recover and or if it just continues to sell off.
Right, if we're truly in a recession.
I would say we are.
For sure, 100%. But